Green.
But yeah, guys, I went ahead and grabbed this. Found it for $95. So I got a little discount. I said, why not? This should literally be a quick 1, 2, 3. Let's get to that real quick, guys. Get this done. Alright, so it look like we got the 1 up here, 2, 3. I'm gonna go find out what these are real quick and get to it. Alright guys, we went ahead and grab a 17. Fit up here. And these 2 as well. So we're gonna go ahead, loosen those 2, get the other one on. There we go, guys. Hold on the right and on the left. Got a little bit of play on this one, and this is just with my fingers, so I think both feel different. It's just putting this upper torque mount. Let's get to it, guys. You guys see how quick and easy it was, so let's go finish up. So what I'm doing is gently prying in here, and I'm able to slide in little by little. Let's see. Oh yeah, guys, I'm gonna keep working it in there gently.
This is Mantra Green.
Alright guys, so what you guys were seeing was not as smooth as it seemed. Your boy kind of ran into an issue down here, man. Yep, welded nut broke. That's in the frame. It's been about a week and a half fighting with this. I was only supposed to, as you guys seen, swap the upper torque mount. Things went left. Kind of went the opposite way, didn't work out that way. So I'm gonna break down to you guys kind of what I did, and you know what I mean? Luckily, I wasn't too messed up and in a messed up position. I'm trying to find a tool right now to show you what I used. So I can't find the right size I have, but basically, as you guys see, this bolt extraction kit I bought a while ago was my best friend today. And yeah, it's been a good while since I was working on that last footage and stuff, and that video was supposed to be dropped a good minute ago, but ran into issues and stuff, and you know. All right, guys. So basically, I had some Hasport mounts that I found on the streets. My pop found on the streets. All the mounts without hardware, any screws, and the brackets for $40. Hasport mounts. This is what I did. We went ahead, went on eBay and ordered cheap mounts for the FG2 just to use the brackets and get all the hardware. As you see, got the other one here. Got all of them here. These are my eBay mounts. I have them all here. I don't know if anybody needs them, let me know. Honestly, that upper torque mount, if anybody needs it and you're subscribed, you show me you're subscribed, I'll sell you it for the low. Just got a few scratches from when I was working on it. Trying to get that shit out, but it's brand new. You hit me up and we work out a deal. These little mounts, Pop found a few scratches here and there. The face is the body of the car. We won't be seeing them. I went ahead and polished them up. Look, this is the back one. You can tell the difference. Went ahead and polished them up. Yeah, should get the work done. So now that we got all the brackets, look, we got the other one. And our bracket for the torque mount. What I'm gonna do with the torque mount, I'm gonna just get a smaller screw, surpass through the nut itself and get washers and just, you know, throw a nut under there and call it a day. But I'm gonna have to leave that bolt in the frame just loose sitting there, but ain't no problem. As we got, at least we got the mount out. Car was sitting for a good while. We was just working on that, but yeah, guys. As you guys could see, a minute later, we're set. And not even completely set. You know, I still gotta get a screw with the washer and nut. And if for some reason couldn't bring me the 2 bolts I need, 2 screws up here. So we're gonna go ahead and get them screws tomorrow and tackle the rest and get cracking on this. Finish this up already, man.
This is non-shabby.